Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ashakuddin Ibn Suhaimi. So today I would like to present to you about our system, clinic management system. So as you can see, this is today agenda that we're going to present one by one by us. So meet my team. This is my team, and the first one is Hana, and in middle is me, Shakur, and lastly is Amira. So, introduction. For introduction is clinic management system is meant to simplify number of clinic functions such as scheduling appointments, patient registration, billings, and the management of medical data. The technology facilitates smooth communication between administrative and medical personnel. By streamlining these essential processes, guarantee increased productivity and efficiency. Furthermore, it's improved patient care quality by cutting down on mistakes and delays while upholding strong data security and regularity compliance. This innovative system is essential tool for contemporary clinics looking to maximize operational efficiency and provide excellent medical care. So this is our organizational structure. Myself, Muhammad Ashakuddin Suhaimi, as project manager, Nur Amira Badrisha binti Zainal as senior solution architect, and lastly, Nurin Hana binti Zamberi as senior system analysis. So yeah, moving along to organized resources. In organized resources, we have project requirement. What is project requirement? Well, a well-defined set of project requirements is essential to the successful implementation of clinic management system. This requirement ensure that all necessary resources, tools, and infrastructure are in place to support the project objective. The project requirements are categorized into three main areas: office requirement, telecommunication requirement, and software development requirement. Each category addresses the unique needs of the project and contributes to achieving an efficient, secure, and user-friendly CMS solution. So, for example, office requirement is done by project manager. For example, project management software like Microsoft Project or Jira for planning, scheduling, and tracking project progress. Other example is office equipment. High performance equipment such as computer, ergonomic office setup, printers, and document management system for physical and digital documentation. Secondly is telecommunication requirement. Is done by senior solution architect, such as network size, wire internet connection, coverage area, security network. So, the access the size of the clinic, the number of device users such as computer, printer, and lab equipment, and the number of the room that need to be connected is wide because of this requirement. And lastly, software development requirement done by senior system analysis. For example, hardware needs, software needs, special equipment, licenses, standard of documentation. Hardware needs in order to manage clinic operation and guarantee that data is safely kept, accessible, and safeguarded during power failure, computers, server, printers, scanner, what else? Backup storage and power backup are necessary. So the other example we can do is licenses. Everything need license. So to guarantee legality and update access, operating system, database server, medical equipment and clinic management software require the appropriate hardware and software licenses. So that's it from me. Thank you very much.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira Batrisha binti Zainal. I am a senior solution architect for our project, which is Clinic Management System. So this is our organizational structure. The first one, we have Muhammad Ashakur Daniel bin Muhammad, which is as our project manager. My name, which is Nur Amira Batrisha binti Zainal, senior solution architect, and our member, Nuril Hana binti Zamri, our senior system analyst. Okay, now, so let's talk about roles and responsibilities for our clinic management system. Our main role for this project is project manager. The responsibilities for project managers is to plan and execution the project scope, set milestone and manage the project timeline, team coordination. Not just that, project manager should facilitate the communication across different teams to ensure that tasks are progressing according to the plan budget and resource management. Next, we have senior solution architect to estimate the network demands, like to evaluate the clinic's operational needs in terms of bandwidth, internet connectivity, local area network, and wireless network. These are the requirements to ensure the seamless system performance, to design a network infrastructure for a scalable and reliable internet connection. Last, we have a senior system analyst to analyze the user needs. Senior system analyst, the responsibilities is to compile and assess user requirement to make sure that the system satisfy the clinic functional needs, looking for any possible weaknesses or enhancement. Not just that, senior system analyst also can create an understandable and effective system architecture that incorporates data models, workflows, and procedures to guarantee that the software can manage clinic operations without interruption. Okay, so now this is our project background for our clinic management system. As we all know, healthcare facilities today face a variety of challenges, including managing a large volume of patient data, optimizing appointment scheduling, ensuring accurate billing, and maintaining high standards of patient care. Usually, the facilities use manual processes, often lead to inefficiencies, inaccuracies, and administrative burdens that hinder the delivery of quality healthcare. So, our project, which is System Clinic Management System, is to overcome these challenges, was initiated and will change the game of the old traditional way of healthcare facilities. This system aims to change the way clinics operate by automating and streamlining the administrative and clinical workflows. By leveraging technology, the clinic management system will enhance an operational efficiency, improve patient satisfaction, and support healthcare providers in delivering timely and accurate care. The clinic management system will provide various features, including appointment scheduling, patient management, electronic medical records, billing and invoicing, inventory management, and real-time reporting. It will be designed to ensure compliance with healthcare regulation and prioritize data security, meeting the needs of both single-location clinics and multi-branch healthcare networks. The vision for this project is very clear and achievable, which is to create a user-friendly and secure a system that reduces administrative overhead, minimizes the errors, and allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. With the clinic management system, the clinics will be more efficient and better equipped to manage their resources and adapt their healthcare demands and provide an exceptional experience for both patient and staff. Okay, so now this is our project objective for our clinic management system. We have three objectives for our project. First one, we have to enhance the operational efficiency, reduce the workload, and boost overall productivity by streamlining and automating the clinic operations like patient registration, appointment scheduling, and invoicing. Next, to improve the patient care quality, make well organize the patient medical records and easily accessible so that the healthcare providers may collaborate more effectively and provide request and accurate care. Next, we have to ensure the data security and compliance to protect the sensitive patient data by following the legal requirements and data security guidelines, which will ensure that the patient data is safe during the clinic operation. This is our executive summary for our clinic management system. Managing the large patient data, scheduling appointments efficiently, and guaranteeing correct billing and upholding a high patient care standards are just a few of the operational difficulties that healthcare facilities face today. So, manual procedures in clinics frequently result in inefficiencies, inaccurate data, and a greater administrative load. All of these can have a detrimental effect on patient satisfaction and service quality. So, to address this issue, the clinic management system intends to automate and streamline the critical clinical and administrative activities in order to address this problem and revolutionize the clinic operation. Healthcare institutions will be able to increase the patient happiness, operational efficiency, and support the healthcare providers in providing correct and timely care to this all-inclusive solution. Our clinic management system objective is clear and achievable. Somehow, to establish a user-friendly and secure the system that lowers the administrative overhead, some areas and allow the healthcare providers to focus more on patient care. By implementing this project, this clinic will become more efficient and better equipped to manage the resources, to respond to changing the healthcare demands, and provide an extraordinary experience for both patient and staff. Now, as you can see here, this is our project scope for our clinic management system. The clinic management system is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and enhance the operation of healthcare facilities. With the growing need of efficiency and quality in patient care, the system will automate the essential clinics functions such as patient registration, appointment scheduling, billing, and medical records management. By integrating various aspects of clinic operation into one centralized platform, this clinic management system aims to reduce the administrative workload, improve the patient care, and ensure the security and compliance of sensitive patient data. The system not only supports the healthcare providers in delivering more effective services, but it also enhances the overall patient experience by providing easy access to medical information and appointments. In an era where data privacy and operational efficiency are paramount, the clinic management system serves as a vital tool for modernizing the clinic management, ensuring that seamless workflows and meeting legal requirements. Our clinic management system have five project goals and objectives. The first one, we have user-friendly, which is to provide a user-friendly interface for the user. So it's going to be easy to understand for user and also understandable app navigation. Secondly, we have security feature to protect the patient information through advanced security measure. Also, it can ensure the compliance with healthcare data to protect the regulation. Next, we have enable the mobile accessibility. It is to develop a responsive interface for access on mobile devices, also to allow the healthcare providers to use the system conveniently, even on the go. Next, we have to enhance the efficiency, to automate and streamline the clinic operation to reduce administrative workload and improve the productivity for medical and administrative staff. Last but not least, we also have improve patient experience. To improve patient experience, we provide a seamless and great experience for patient, from scheduling the appointments to receiving care and managing the follow-up for our clinic management system. Next, we have project deliverable scope for our clinic management system. The clinic management system project aims to develop a robust, efficient, and secure solution to streamline the operation of healthcare facilities. As the healthcare services become increasingly complex and the demand for higher quality care rises, the need for a comprehensive system to manage the clinic function has never been more critical. This project will produce a set of key analysis and design documents outlining the system architecture, process flows, and functional requirements to ensure a clear understanding of the system structure and functionality. The software deliverable will include the fully functional clinic management system software, also ready for deployment across clinic operation and tailored to meet specific operational needs such as patient registration, appointment scheduling, medical records management, and billing. Next, the hardware deliverables will involve the necessary infrastructure, including servers and devices, to ensure the system operates effectively within the clinic's environment. In addition, the implementation and development document will provide a detail of instruction and guidelines for the deployment, configuration, and testing of the system to ensure the smooth integration with existing clinic operation. Last but not least, the project will also focus more on outcome outcome-based deliverables to ensure that the clinic management system meets its core objective. First, it can enhance the operational efficiency, improving patient care and ensuring data security and compliance. By prioritizing the data protection, regulatory compliance, and a user-friendly interface, the clinic management system will streamline administrative tasks, improve communication and collaboration among healthcare providers, and ultimately lead to a better patient outcomes. This project seeks to transform a clinic management into a more efficient, secure, and a patient-centric process, benefiting both healthcare providers and patients alike. For our project, which is clinic management system, we also have analysis and design document. In order to build the clinic management system, the project will start with the creation of analysis and design documentation. In order to ensure the compliance with design standard, the system requirement analysis, which is SRA, report gathers the specific user needs and converts them into logical models, including processes, data structures, and system architecture. The functional and non-functional requirements, as well as the required hardware and software specification, are also specified in the System Requirement Specification (SRS) report, and also the System Design Document (SDD) also offer a complete design of the architecture and individual parts of the system, describe how they interact and acting as a roadmap for the development team throughout the implementation. Our clinic management system project focuses on software deliverables. The clinic administration software, which comprises modules for patient registration, appointment scheduling, billing, medical records administration, inventory monitoring, and report generation, is the main deliverable. Another essential deliverable for streamlining operation is integration with external systems such as payment gateway, MyCard readers, and lab apparatus. To ensure the accessibility and usability, the project involved developing user-friendly interfaces for administrator, clinic employees, and patients. The system efficiency and reliability are further guaranteed by testing scripts and reports produced through unit integration, system and user acceptability evaluation. Next, we also have hardware deliverables. Deliverables of hardware support the software and guarantee the clinic management system runs well. These include to configure or update the servers to house the system in an efficient and secure way. There are additional workstations set up for a different function, including administrative, consultancy, and reception offices. These hardware deliverables to improve the operational efficiency. Additional devices such as barcode readers, printers, and scanners included into the workflow. A strong infrastructure for the clinic requirement is ensured by the configuration and testing of this hardware element to work in harmony with the clinic management system software. Okay, next we have implementation and development document for our clinic management system. A comprehensive manual serve as a guide for deployment and implementation. Installation, configuration, and data migration are all covered in the system implementation plan, which also describe the strategy, schedule, and materials needed to set up the clinic management system. User training manuals and guidelines are created to help the system integrate successfully. They provide administrator and clinic employees with clear instruction. Also, the long-term success of the system is helped by a true is helped by a maintenance and help plan, which guarantees that post-deployment tasks like upgrades and technical help are organized and simple to access. So now this is our outcome for our base deliverables, which is software and hardware. The project outcome-based deliverables serve as an indicator of its success. The fully functional clinic management system streamlines the operation and improves the efficiency by adjusting to the clinic particular requirement. Critical deliverables, including the SRS, SDD, and the deployed system, must be formally reviewed and approved in order to gain the stakeholder support. Performance data are also offered to show how well the system works to streamline the processes, also to reduce administrative load and improve the satisfaction with care. These deliverables guarantee that the project meets corporate goals and functional needs. Okay, so now this is our project logical scope. The logical scope defines the core functionalities, module, and features required to ensure the successful implementation of the clinic management system. While meeting the outlined objective and deliverables, the patient management module allows for the registration and management of patient information, including demographic, medical history, and contact details, while maintaining the secure profiles accessible only to authorized personnel. The appointment scheduling module enables the patient to book, reschedule, or cancel the appointment online or through clinic staff. This is to provide a real-time availability of healthcare providers to optimize the scheduling. The billing and payment integration module ensure that the invoice generation, management of payment records, and seamless transaction through integration with external payment gateways. The non-functional scope focuses on usability, performance, scalability, and mobile accessibility, reliability, and security. The system is designed to deliver a user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation for all users, including administrators, staff, and patients. With multilingual support to cater to diverse audiences, this logical scope ensures that the clinic management system aligns with the project goals and deliverables while meeting user expectation and for functionality, usability, reliability, and security.
Okay, thank you for being here today. So I will be presenting key aspects of our clinic management system project, which is focusing on the project schedule, cost estimation, and risk management. These three are crucial components that will ensure the successful development and implementation of the system. So let's begin with the project schedule. So the first one is project schedule, where a well-structured timeline is essential for the success of this project. That we have divided the development process into several key phases. Ensure each task is complete and on time and with a proper resource allocation. The project is expected to take approximately 13 months, starting from October 2024 and concluded in May 2025. So the major phases include the first one is project planning and requirement gathering on October until November 2024, which this phase involved defining project goals, gathering user requirements, and establishing the foundation for development. So next, system design and hardware procurement, which is on not December 2024 until January 2025, which is during this period we finalize the system architecture and purchase necessary hardware and set up the development environment. And then the third one is software development and testing, which is on January until March 2025. The core of the system is developed, followed by rigorous testing to ensure functionality, security, and performance. And the fourth one is deployment, training, and go live, which is on April until May 2025, which is in this final stage. We deploy the system, conduct user training, and go live with full implementation. So next is assigning resources to tasks, which is breaking this timeline down further. We have assigned specific durations for each task. For example, for project planning, we have 10 days, system analysis and design, we have 40 days, hardware setup, 7 days, and software development, 60 days, system testing 20 days, and training and go live preparation is 25 days. So each task is assigned to the appropriate team member based on their expertise, ensuring smooth execution and quality assurance throughout the project life cycle. Now, let's talk about the project costing, which is effective budget management is crucial to delivering a high quality solution within the allocated resources. So, the total estimated cost for this project is 1.02 million, covering human resources, software development, infrastructure, training, and miscellaneous expenses. So the budget is distributed across key categories as follows. For the first one is human resources, which is 500,000. This includes salaries for project managers, developers, analysts, and other technical staff for over 13 months. Next is development and implementation, which is cost 400,000, covers for coding, system integration, testing, and software customization. Next is infrastructure and software, which is cost 40,000, includes the cost of hardware like servers, workstations, and database license. Next is training and support, which is cost 50,000, includes unforeseen costs such as additional software tools, legal compliance, and external consultation. This budget will ensure that all aspects of the project will covered, leading to a successful implementation without compromising quality. So, since human resources are a significant portion of the budget, it is essential to allocate funds appropriately to hire and retain skilled professionals. Here's a breakdown of the salaries for key personnel over 13 months. So for project manager, we have 260,000, senior solution architecture 230,000, senior system analyst 220,000, front end developer 260,000, back end developer 260,000, UI UX designer 130,000, QA engineer 130,000, and system administrator 130,000. By investing in skilled professionals, we ensure the development of a robust, secure, and user-friendly clinic management system. Apart from our personnel, the project also requires a strong infrastructure, which is the estimated cost for software and hardware includes hardware for servers, workstations, and backup devices, which is cost 20,000. Software license, which is project management tools, development software, which is cost around 10,000. Database setup for MySQL and PostgreSQL license, which is 10,000. Hosting and cloud services, which is 15,000. And the last one is payment for gateway integration, which is 5,000. These investments ensure that the system operates efficiently, securely, and with high reliability. Next, I will talk about risk management, which is this is very important. Risk management is a critical component of the project, but whether it will help us to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks that could affect the project's success. By proactively addressing these risks, we ensure smooth implementation and minimize disruption. So the first one, we have identified three major risks that could impact the system and propose mitigation strategies for each of them. So the first one is system downtime, which is downtime occurs when the system becomes unavailable due to technical failure, power outage, or network issues. The impact it will disrupt clinic operations, which is can causing delays in patient care and loss of critical data. So the mitigation strategy is to implement a robust backup system, which is cloud-based redundancy and conduct regular system maintenance. So next one is data breach, which is this is unauthorized access to a patient records due to cyber attacks or weak security measure. The impact it will lead to a privacy violations, legal penalties, and reputational damage. The mitigation strategies is to implement strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, and conduct security audits regularly. So the last one is incorrect data entry, which is error in patient records, appointment scheduling, or billing due to human mistakes. The impact can lead to incorrect diagnosis, billing issues, and loss of patient trust. So the mitigation strategy is to provide comprehensive staff training, implement automated validation checks, and conduct routine audits. So, to further strengthen risk management, we will also regularly update security protocols to prevent cyber threats. Next, we will develop a contingency plan for a system failure, ensuring minimal downtime. And the last one is to maintain clear documentation and training materials to reduce user errors. With these strategies, we ensure a secure, reliable, and efficient clinic management system. So, in conclusion, the clinic management system is structured with a clear timeline and a well planned budget and a comprehensive risk management strategy, which is these elements ensure that the project is complete successfully, meeting the objective of the improving clinic operations, enhance patient care, and maintaining data security by automating clinic workflows, providing real-time data access, and ensuring compliance with healthcare regulations. This system will modernize clinic management and improve overall efficiency. Thank you for your time, and I am happy to take any question that you may have.